In a world where financial freedom is the ultimate goal, passive income reigns supreme. A source of earning where your money works tirelessly for you is the dream of many. Today, we're diving deep into the wisdom of a financial titan, Robert Kiyosaki, and discovering his top passive income streams for 2023. Now, if you're new to the financial realm or just need a refresher, let's set the stage. Robert Kiyosaki, the brilliant mind behind the international bestseller Rich Dad, Poor Dad, has been a beacon of light in the sometimes foggy world of finance. His teachings have empowered countless individuals to transform their financial destinies, turning pennies into portfolios. So, when he speaks about the financial forecast of 2023, it's not just a prediction, it's a prophecy. But wait a moment. While Kiyosaki's insights are revered worldwide, it's crucial to question even the masters. Could it be that the emphasis on passive income, on earning without active effort, is a reflection of a deeper societal shift towards seeking rewards without work? Are we, as a society, moving towards valuing ease over effort and quick gains over long-term commitment? In our quest for financial freedom, are we sacrificing the very values that make success meaningful? Let's answer these questions and embark on a journey while exploring these passive income assets that are set to make waves in 2023, according to Kiyosaki. Number 1. Real estate crowdfunding. We've all heard the age-old adage, the best investment on earth is earth itself. Kiyosaki's relationship with real estate is profound, and he's been an advocate for property investments through his career. But 2023 isn't about buying land or building in the traditional sense. It's about tapping into the collective power of the masses. Enter real estate crowdfunding, a digital realm where investors come together, pooling resources to back property ventures that would typically be beyond their individual reach. Think of it as the democratization of the real estate market. So, why is Kiyosaki so optimistic about this avenue? First, its accessibility. Crowdfunding breaks down the barriers, allowing budding investors to start with smaller amounts. You're not buying an entire apartment complex, you're buying a share, a piece of the pie. Second, diversification. Instead of placing all your eggs in one property basket, crowdfunding allows investors to spread their capital across multiple ventures, reducing risk and potentially increasing returns. Lastly, the demand for property is insatiable. As cities grow and populations surge, the need for housing and commercial spaces will continue its upward trajectory. By entering the market through crowdfunding, you're not just investing, you're positioning yourself as the forefront of a global trend. Number 2. Digital assets and cryptocurrencies. The financial landscape of the 21st century has been revolutionized by the rise of digital currencies. Once viewed with skepticism, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and their counterparts have carved a niche that can't be ignored. And Kiyosaki, ever the visionary, recognizes their immense potential. But it's not just about buying low and selling high. The crypto realm has evolved, introducing avenues like staking, where by merely holding and freezing your digital assets, you can earn dividends. It's akin to earning interest, but often at rates that traditional banking can't match. Then there's the phenomenon of DeFi, or decentralized finance, where blockchain technology allows for financial operations without intermediaries. It's transparent, it's efficient, and it's the future. Kiyosaki's emphasis on digital assets is a testament to their staying power. As we transition into a more digitized global economy, the role of cryptocurrencies will only magnify. By engaging now, you're not just earning passively, you're riding the wave of financial evolution. Number 3. Peer-to-peer lending. Banking, as we've known it, is evolving. The traditional model of depositing money, letting the bank lend it out, and earning a meager interest is becoming archaic. Kiyosaki's gaze is set on a more direct, more empowering model, peer-to-peer lending. What's the allure? It's simple. By connecting lenders directly with borrowers, these platforms eliminate the middleman. Instead of your money making the bank richer, you earn a more substantial portion of the interest. It's a win-win. Borrowers often get more favorable rates, while lenders enjoy higher returns. Kiyosaki's endorsement of this model is backed by its growth. More people are becoming disenchanted with traditional banking. And as technology continues to advance, these platforms are becoming increasingly secure and user-friendly. By 2023, as Kiyosaki predicts, this might just become the new norm in lending. Number 4. Dividend Stocks. In the constantly shifting sands of the financial world, some classics remain timeless. Dividend stocks are one such gem. While stock markets can be volatile, companies that have a history of paying dividends often offer a cushion against this unpredictability. But Kiyosaki's focus isn't just on any dividend stocks. It's on those from established, reputable companies. These are corporations that have weathered economic storms and still emerged strong, continuing to share their profits with shareholders. Imagine owning a piece of a successful company. Every time they make a profit and decide to distribute it along shareholders, you get a slice. It's money earned while you sleep. Kiyosaki's strategy emphasizes thorough research, understanding the company, its history, and its future prospects. By 2023, with global markets expanding and more companies going public, the opportunities in this realm are bound to surge. Number 5. Royalties and intellectual properties. In the digital age, content is king. Whether it's a catchy tune, a groundbreaking software, or a best-selling book, intellectual properties are a gold mine. Kiyosaki, an author himself, understands the power of royalties. Every time someone buys a book, listens to a song on a streaming platform, or uses a patented software, the creator earns. It's passive income in its purest form. What's beautiful about this is the global reach. In a connected world, a creation can become an overnight sensation, earning royalties from every corner of the globe. Kiyosaki's strategy here is twofold. 1. If you have a skill or idea, work on it, refine it, and introduce it to the world. 2. If you're not the creative type, consider investing in promising intellectual properties. By 2023, with the rapid consumption of digital content, this asset class is set to explode. Number 6. Automated online businesses. In the age of the internet, businesses are no longer confined to brick-and-mortar establishments. The digital realm has opened up opportunities that Kiyosaki believes are indispensable for anyone seeking financial freedom in 2023. Think about the automated online businesses, e-commerce stores that operate 24/7, reaching customers globally, affiliate marketing, where you earn commissions by promoting products, dropshipping, where you sell without holding inventory. These models, once set up, require minimal intervention, generating income around the clock. Kiyosaki's emphasis on online businesses is rooted in the changing dynamics of the global economy. With increasing internet penetration and a shift towards online shipping, these ventures are more than just businesses. They're the future. By 2023, those not tapping into this potential might just find themselves left behind. Don't forget, each investment avenue comes with its risks, and it's up to us to navigate them wisely. In the ever-evolving world of finance, it's essential not just to follow, but to lead, to question, and to innovate. And as you ponder these questions, remember that true financial freedom isn't just about wealth, it's about wisdom. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If this video sparked thoughts, debates, or even disagreements, share them in the comments. Let's foster a community where financial education is not just about following, but about thinking, challenging, and growing. And don't forget to watch the video appearing on the screen right now. See you there.